In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GradePaste to copy a whole column of grades and paste them into your LMS. First, find GradePaste in the Chrome Web Store. There's a link to it in the description of this video, and click on Add to Chrome. Once you've verified that the extension has been added, go ahead and go find your grades. If you're using Excel or Google Sheets, just highlight the grades and click Copy. Or if you're using Positive Physics, go to your student scores and click on the Copy Grades icon in gold. Then go to your gradebook. The first time that you use this, make sure you've enabled GradePaste to work on this page. You can do that by clicking on the Extensions button, clicking on GradePaste, and clicking on Enable. Then go to the top cell in the column where you want to paste your grades. Click on Paste and this icon should appear. If this modal doesn't appear, go back and make sure you've installed GradePaste and you've gone and clicked on the extension button to enable the extension to work on this page. You have the option of pasting directly, so 100%, 70%, 90%, or converting those percentages into points. This was a test out of 50 points, so I'm going to convert, and that means my 100% becomes a 50 out of 50. It works the same on Google Classroom. We also currently support Schoology, and we're adding more all the time. Please don't hesitate to reach out if there's anything that I can do to help, and we hope this saves you a lot of time.